All right, we're steaming through our HTML tags now, and we're going to move away from paragraph tags and look at lists in the next couple of videos. In this video, we'll look at unordered lists. So basically, a bullet point list is what we're trying to create here. And an unordered list we create with the UL tag. So the UL tag creates an unordered list, and then within our unordered list, I'm going to use tab to get it indented again. We have a list item. So I'm going to make a list of my family members. I'll start with me. So that's it. I've got an unordered list at the beginning. I'm closing the unordered list. And then when I want to add a new list item, I just do the same thing. And then we'll add Kirsten in. And then we want another list item. So we'll add Tommy. And finally, Ralphie. There we go. So let's have a look, see what that looks like. Beautiful. So we've got Rob, Kirsten, Tommy, and Ralphie. So that's how you create an unordered list in HTML. Let's have a very quick challenge for you. Can you apply different formatting to each of the 4 elements in your list? You can choose any bit of formatting that you like, but different formatting, bold, italic, etc., to each element in your list. Go for it. All right, hope you managed it. I'll do it something like this. So Rob can be strong. Kirsten can be emphasized. Tommy, very unfortunately, will be deleted. And Ralphie can be inserted. There we go. Let's have a look. There we go. So we can apply this formatting to anything. It doesn't have to be in a paragraph tag as we did in the previous video. Text can be anywhere on our page. So now we've seen how to create unordered lists using UL to create the list and then LI to create individual list items. Can you guess how we might create an ordered list? Have a go. I hope you guessed right. All we do is change UL to OL for ordered list, and the same in the closing tag there. And then if we take a look at that, it's exactly the same, except we've got numbers instead of bullet points, so it's ordered. And we can have a little bit of fun with ordered lists, and we can mess things around a little bit. So say, for example, for some reason I wanted to start my list at the number 10 rather than the number 1. I can use an extra attribute, as it's known, in my OL tag to set the start value. So I just use start and then equals, and then usually in quotes we'll put the number that we want to start at. So if I want to start at 10, for example, I just put start equals 10. And a bit like the U tag for underline, start was actually deprecated in HTML 4.01, but it's back in HTML5, and it's supported by every major browser out there, so you can use it quite safely. We can also do a couple of other fun things. We can use reversed in there, and that will do what you might guess, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that does everything in the opposite order. And finally, we can specify the type of ordered list that we want. And there's a few type options. And you can see my text editor here is very nicely giving me the options. So I can use, instead of 1, 2, 3, which is what I've got at the moment, I could use type is equal to A. And that will then, if I save it, give me A, B, C, D. Let's look at the other type options. So we've got capital I there, which gives me capital Roman numerals. There's small I as well, which gives us small Roman numerals. And finally, we've got small a, which gives us A, B, C, D. So a lot of people don't actually know that you can change the type of an ordered list, but you can very easily. All right, that's all you need to know about lists for now. In the next video, we'll go on and see how we add images to our web pages.